So guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I want to make a short video talking about BNB prep on FTX, or you can use BNBUSD spot on FTX. So what I want to talk about is one of the chart pattern which I have decided to start uploading a lot of chart pattern on my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe so that whenever I drop my next video on the next chart pattern, you would be able to get a notification and get to watch the video. So I want you guys to understand what I'm about to explain to you. It's not about the analysis I want to do now based on the BNBUSD or BNB prep, but try to understand how these chart patterns work, how these chart patterns form. It's very important because you can use this to make a decision in your trade. So now, first thing first, what I'm about to talk about here is called the Pennant bullish flag pattern. The first thing you need to consider is the flag. If you're talking about the flag has two diagonal lines, and those two diagonal lines, one is upsloping, and the upsloping line is the resistance, the support rather. Upsloping line is the support. Now, the downsloping line is a resistance. So what am I trying to explain here? Like I said, the first thing you need to pay attention to is the flag. If you guys pay attention to what happened earlier today, we had a little drop in the market where Bitcoin is trying to move down. But if you have been following BNB, you will notice it did not even try to drop. So from here down to this level is a period of consolidation. So when I say consolidation, it means it is taking its time to form this symmetrical shaped flag, which would make this pennant flag pattern shape look complete. Not the pattern is totally complete in terms of price. So when you're talking about in terms of price for a chart pattern to be complete, it is when the body of the candlestick closes above the downsloping resistance. Take note of that, the downsloping resistance. You can see what happened here. When this price tries to break above this downsloping resistance, it got knocked down and the body of the candlestick did not close above this. So that is one lesson we need to understand. When the body of the candlestick closes above any of this level, there is high probability it's going to move more towards the direction the body of the candlestick closed. Now, what am I trying to say here? If the body of the candlestick closes below this, you wait for that candlestick to close and the next one should open, meaning that the body of the candlestick has violated this upsloping support and there is more push to the downside. Now, what about if the body of the candlestick closes above the down sloping resistance? If the body of the candlestick closes above the down sloping resistance, it is telling you that this down sloping resistance has been violated and we're going to get a push to the upside. So that is about this symmetrical flag. Now, what about the pole? Because the pole is another important part of this pennant flag pattern. Why? Because the pole is what we're going to use to measure the take profit level. The take profit level. So now let's look at how the pole is being formed. Now take note of this. Don't confuse yourself when it gets to the formation of pole. Forget about what you're seeing here. What you need to see when this pole is forming is an upward movement. So it doesn't matter if it paused here, went up, paused a little bit, and it continued going up. What you want to see is that upward movement. But whenever you see something like this that is taking too long, you will know that what is happening here is what we call consolidation period. Now from here down to this level. Why am I taking this level? I'm going to explain that now. Why I'm taking this level is because I'm seeing a level of resistance around here. So we cannot take it past the level of resistance. We'll take it to serve as a support here. So with this now, let's see what we should be expecting. Now, this is what we should be expecting. So we can use this from here down to this level. We'll drag and drop it here. Don't mind the targets. Let me use this. Let me use the trend line from here. Then we'll gradually move this to this level here. And we have our target. So we can extend this a little bit. So we have our target here, and we're looking at this major target here. So we can say that the height from the top of the pennant flag pattern down to the bottom of the pole is what we use to measure out this take profit level. So what I normally do is this. This is what I normally do. What I normally do is I would split my take profit level. Instead of waiting until I get to this maximum take profit level, I just have to split it. The most important part of this take profit level is the current all-time high, which we're having here. So there are most times when price breaks out from this pennant flag pattern, when it gets to this level, most times it gets to this level and it does something like this, like breakout, gets to this level, retest, and continue. So that's why you need to be very, very careful about this zone here. This zone is very important. So after that, we'll look at, we can take it this and copy and paste. When we copy and paste, we'll have our targets ready. So this is what I'm looking at on BNB USD. This is a short analysis I just want to share with everyone. So whenever you're taking any trade, just make sure you understand the risk involved in taking any trades at all, especially in cryptocurrency. So guys, if you love this video, give us a like, and I will do well to upload more videos explaining how this chart pattern work. So if you want to join my Signal channel, you can get the link in the description below. And also you want to send me a message, you want to chat with me, you can chat with me on the Telegram. You get the link on the description below as well. So guys, happy trading and enjoy the rest of your night.